Valsürk.
But as soon as they disappear, man.
Did we just skip those?
Gonna make us stop. Good charge. Now let's test. Nah.
Got it.
We will skip.
Yeah, my app welfare will explode and then we'll skip.
Never mind. So glad we didn't actually. E6? Exactly.
I will hypercharge that thing immediately.
Green run.
Right. I got burned so bad at this game.
Even the one in this fight isn't that bad. Race coming up. So you should move him all the way down the other side.
Yeah.
Wow.
Miss Berserk.
Yep.
Valsürk.
Thank you.
One JCD, getting it.
Out spread.
I will be on the boss.
Well done. Gonna do some shit.
When is the fucking new one coming?
It's gonna jump to where I am.
Come on, spawn, for fuck's sake. Oh?
Follow that.
Follow the other.
Well done. Nice kick. Basically just sit with your thumb up your butt. Well done. Oh, ice trap again, ice trap again.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Heal, heal.
You shimmy, keep him alive. Yeah, well done.
Valzurk.
Gonna do a tank buster, then the moon slice thing. He's gonna jump to the side that we're at. After this, it's gonna be, he's gonna jump and do either a single charge or leg hops, no one die. After these AoEs, he will do the chainsaws and praise. I'm gonna be into my position right now. So kinda you should be passing it to me. Yeah.
Okay, come.
Charge is always out.
Go away.
Okay, save all of your CDs now. Just save them.
Save.
Why isn't it coming? There it is. Got it. Oh shit.
Don't fuck it up. Save your CDs and use it all together.
I don't have a B for the
Fuck that.
LB3.
Fuck that. I'm using them all now.
Alright.
We have LB3 as well.
Valzurk.
LB3.
Trap
Oh,
combination.
wait.
As soon as they disappear,
B's.
Alright, just give me a second.
wait for the balls. This was.
Please explode, please explode. Yes!
Did we win? Fuck no.
Damn it.
That LB3 fucked us up.
Did we get the LB3?
We got it, but wasn't used.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's still the
Whatever.
same link.